Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about SOP3, create a website using HTML and CSS code to design a web page as follows. Okay, according to the question, okay, I highlighted the important point in a bold form. So we need to create first web page, second web page, an order list. Then both the page should be interlinked, and in the last line create external style sheet with the relevant tag. So according to the question, we need to create generally 3 pages. Okay, so we can create first CSS file. Okay, in this example, okay, we are creating CSS file under the name of my.css file. Okay, and I take h1, okay, selector, and I am giving the property and its value, that is color is equal to green. Okay, selector means body is a selector, and its property background color, its value is a pink. According to that, L and UL. So this code is just only a CSS code. You just put these tags in the CSS file and save your file under the extension of .css. Okay, now you close that file, then open another notepad file. Okay, save that file under the name of transporter information.html, and here we are creating first file. Okay, and we need to use CSS references, CSS tag, and for that purpose we need to link our page with the CSS file, and we are going to use link relation is equal to style sheet type is equal to text CSS and hyphen reference for the my.css file. So this is your CSS program. Okay, then close that tag. In the body tag we just use heading transporter information, and we are accessing code from the CSS file. For that purpose we are using UL. Whatever property is given in a CSS file for the UL tag, immediately that get affect in this code. Okay, we can make a list item according to the question. Okay, and here we are linking this page, okay, to the second page, okay, traveler information under the ahref tag. So this is your first page. Okay, now for the second page also we are repeating this procedure till body tag. Okay, we can interlink our page with the my.css file with a link tag, link relation tag. Okay, then body tag h1. Okay, but in this section, okay, in this section when traveler post his information to the specific area or specific data, okay, for that purpose we are using form tag, because traveler should provide his information about the name, date, telephone number and all. Okay, for that purpose we are creating form action page 2.html method is equal to post. So in this tag we need to create page 2.html. when the traveler can submit his data, okay, immediately he reverts the acknowledgement that you are successfully submitting your information. For that purpose we are creating another page, and that name is page 2.html. okay, then we are using table tag. According to that we are taking certain input type. Okay, then input type is equal to date, then input type is equal to number. Okay, then according to the question we are using image source. Okay, input type is equal to image. Okay, alternate text we are providing here. Okay, then for linking to page, so here we are using ahref. Okay, my dear students, then we close this page. Okay, and this is your second page output. Yes, my dear student. Okay, so in the last line click here to transporter information. While clicking on that specific word or line, immediately user can access first page. Okay, now about to the second page. Okay, for that purpose we are creating simple line program, and in that program just I am using body bg color. Okay, then center tag h1 traveler agent. Okay, then here I am using very interesting tag, that is marquee tag, which can moving our text. Okay, and that for that purpose I am using thank you for visiting here, and while user can submit his data, immediately he get the acknowledgement in this form. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so this is your fourth page code. Okay, my dear student, I hope you understand very well. Now time for the screenshot. Okay, so I take little bit pause for your screenshot. So this is your my.css page. Okay, now next is your transporter information.html page. Now we are going to move for the third page, that is traveler information.html page. Okay, and the last page is your page 2.html.